Hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center. Today we got Alex. Alex is doing the 2020, right? Yep. 2020 Olympics. He's the rower there. He's Tokyo, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so he came in here, low back discomfort. We're basically checking everything. So we started with him. We just finished a decompression, basically stretching, opening, closing, trying to hydrate that disc in that lower back. He's sitting there, he's rowing a lot of times. So we want to open up that joint for him. Now we're going to go ahead and adjust him. I'm going to go ahead and bring this out, Alex. Okay. Alex is like the, I don't know how you say it, perfect patient, kind of. He's easy, he's in great shape, so adjusting him is kind of easy for me. And he knows everything about his body, so.
Good feedback.
Yeah. Great feedback. All right. So Alex, I'm gonna have you go face down first. I'm gonna check everything and adjust everything. Beautiful. So he's off a little bit on the right side. And by the way, you held this.
Yeah, it's holding a lot better.
Yeah,
sure.
So it's barely off. I consider that almost holding it. Deep breath for me. Beautiful. Nice. Perfect. This side up for me now. Facing that way. Yeah, that's impressive. And I think the decompression helps open that up for you, so when I adjust you get a nice deep breath. Nice. Awesome.
That's a good one.
Yeah, it was. Deep breath for me. Oh man. Oh yes. Go put some for me. As you see,
yeah, it's so
model
good.
patient over here.
Is that close enough to you?
That's perfect.
Okay.
Nice. Relax there. There it is. Nice. Oh yeah, that was a good. Let's go face on. Make sure everything is nice.
Cool.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Right. That was awesome. So if you want to go see Alex, 2020, start looking for him. He's gonna be in the Olympics.
That's right.
Rolling away. Take care.